Hey, welcome to the product review show. Guess what we got on the show today, Lucas?
A mini chainsaw!
That's right, we got a rechargeable mini chainsaw. We're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's take a look at what you're going to get when you order this rechargeable chainsaw. You are going to get in the box a 21 volt charger.
Yep.
You will have a cord so you can plug this in and charge it up. You will get a screwdriver in case you need to do any kind of work on it. The chainsaw and a little wrench. Has a safety button right here, so if the kiddos try to come on there and they try to use that, they cannot power this on unless you push this little button right there. Easy to assemble like this. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to take it out in the field and we're going to do a test on it. Stay tuned. The nice thing about this chainsaw right here is it has a protective side right here. Cover that chainsaw. Very easy to hold. We're going to go ahead and start cutting down that tree. Nice, I'm liking this. Timber! Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I really like this cordless chainsaw right here. This is great for cutting trees about this diameter right here. We did cut a tree with a little bit larger diameter, had no problem with it. What I like about this chainsaw is that when you're cutting, this part will lift so you can go right into the tree. So I'll show you how easy it is again to cut a tree. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Hey, I'll leave a link down below where you can find this, and please subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.